This is Dorman 601903 electronic power steering rack, engineered to address OE failure points and eliminate the common issues technicians see every day. We're proud to offer the only new replacement EPS rack in the aftermarket for Ram 1500 trucks, and with design improvements and a seamless installation process, it's the ideal solution when an original EPS rack is ready for replacement. Most OE racks fail from overheating and contamination. For long-lasting performance, ours feature added surge protection and an optimized component layout to reduce heat and interference. The PCB also gets a UV40 protective coating to better resist water, salt, and chemicals. It's FMVSS tested, meaning it meets federal safety standards for performance and durability, giving technicians and their customers peace of mind. And when it comes to installation, this application won't need a dealer scan tool. Calibration is done with tools most shops already have, a procedure we'll walk through after the install. Before installing this rack, confirm that the truck was built at Ram's Warren plant by opening the driver door to check the VIN label. If the VIN starts with a 1, you're good to go. If it starts with a 3, stop. This rack won't match the assist calibration used on Saltillo-built trucks. If you have access to a scan tool, plug it in before removal. Check for the existing EPS-related fault codes. This confirms communication with the module and gives you a clean baseline before installation. Before disconnecting the EPS harness, disconnect the negative battery terminal for at least 8 seconds. This allows the EPS control module to fully power down before you separate the electrical connections. With the vehicle safely supported, remove the OE rack following the standard procedures. Pay close attention to the intermediate shaft orientation. Do not rotate it once disconnected from the rack. The rack mounts with torque-to-yield bolts. New bolts are required for installation. Install the new rack and align it with the column spline. Once seated, tighten the rack mount bolts and pinch bolt to the OEM torque specs. Apply torque slowly and evenly to avoid stressing the threads and housing. Once the rack is installed, an alignment is required. After that, perform a recalibration to center the assist motor and reset the steering pull compensation. Without this step, the steering may feel unstable or drift corrected in one direction. Steering-related dash lights may also appear. Calibration is easy with our rack, and here are the steps. First, turn the ignition on. Don't start the engine and wait 8 seconds. Second, on your scan tool, navigate to the steering angle reset or similar function. The exact wording may vary between scan tools, but follow the scan tool instructions and complete the calibration process. A temporary U0131 lost communication with EPS module code may appear right after the installation. That is expected, and once the calibration is completed, the communication is restored and the code clears. The Dorman 601903 EPS rack is precision engineered to match the OE assist curves for supported builds. When paired with proper calibration, you get factory steering performance with aftermarket serviceability and support from Dorman products. We hope you like this new solution, and remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman technical support team is always available to help. Thanks for checking out our video on this OE FIX Ram EPS rack. I'm Nick, and I'll see you next time.